Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about how to search high ranking gig on Fiverr. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, you just click in the search bar and search how to search high gig ranking on Fiverr. When you search, the website page will be opened. You just click in this website, how to check my gig ranking on Fiverr. When you click this website, the page will be opened of how to check my gig ranking on Fiverr. First of all, we discuss what is gig. A gig is a service you provide on Fiverr. That is your email and you have to ranking determines how visible for your potential clients. The blog post will be focused on how to check your gig ranking on Fiverr and what you can do to enhance it. How to check your gig ranking on Fiverr. Here are steps to check your gig ranking on Fiverr. Step 1. Sign up for your Fiverr account and click your selling tab. Step 2. Under the selling tab, select the gig option. In the third step, you will be find your elastic button to your gig page and click it on. In the fourth step, on the elastic page, you will be seen a section for your impression. Click and use. In the fifth step, scroll down and end of the page, you will be have to see a table showing your gig ranking in each category. In the last step, you can check your gig and ranking for your following partnership and your best selling recommended, high rating and new arrivals. Tips to improve your gig ranking on Fiverr. Improving your gig ranking on Fiverr, we are rating for especially if you are starting. Here are some tips. Use relevant keywords. Fiverr search algorithm depend heavily on keyword and relevant keyword on the gig title, description and tags. This will be help to potential clients find of your gig more easily. Optimize your gig images. The images you can use in your gig can also affect your ranking. Use high quality image and showcase your skills for services affectionately. Offer competitive prices. Fiverr is a highly competitive platform as well as the pricing can play a significant role in your success. Research what your other sellers use and easy of the charging with a try offer competitive pricing. Provide excellent customer services. Good reviews and rating for you can help you improve your gig ranking on Fiverr. Ensure you provide excellent customer services and be sponsored for your client inquiries. Promote your gig. Fiverr has a click for promotional tools that you can use to promote your gigs. You can also promote your gig on social media platform and other website increase its visibility. Factor affecting your gig ranking on Fiverr. Now that you have to know how to check your gig ranking on Fiverr, let's look at some factors or affected it. Gig title and description. Your gig and title description is a significantly affect to your gig ranking. Ensure that your title and description are relevant to your concern and your include keyword that clients are searching for. Your gig title and description should also be unique and stand for your other same categories. Tags. The tags and keywords are described your gig and help to client finding. Use relevant tag and accurately describe your gig as well as avoid using irrelevant and misleading tags. Using the bold tags and also hurt your gig's ranking. So be specific and use only relevant tags. Gig images and videos. Gig images and videos are the first thing that you have to client and see what you have to come across to your gig. Use high quality images and videos that showcase to your skill and expertise. Your images and videos should be relevant to your gig and help to client understand what you offer. Delivery time and pricing. Clients for your Fiverr often look for the freelancer and who can deliver quality, work quality and a reasonable pricing. Ensure your delivery time and pricing for competitive and reflective to your value for your work. If you can provide quality, work quality, you will be have to higher chance to getting here and improving your gig stand. Reviews and rating. Reviews and rating are the central part of Fiverr ranking system. Positive reviews and high rating indicated for your help to reliable a skilled freelancer that which we can improve through your ranking gig and encourage to your client. Leave reviews and rating after completing to order to ensure that your delivers and quality what you have to meet their expectations.